going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the ice and water filter for your Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. Just recently my water filter status light turned from yellow to red, so now it's time to replace it. The location of the filter varies by model, but on this particular model it's on the lower left side, inside the grill. First you want to put down some paper towels to collect any water that may drip out of the filter. Then you want to press in firmly on the button located to the left of the filter. This releases the filter. There's a small black cap on the top of the filter that makes it easy to pull the whole filter cartridge out. Make sure you remove this black cap as it's used again for the new filter. The replacement filter for this refrigerator is the number 3 Everydrop filter. It says on the packaging it's certified to reduce 73 contaminants including lead. It also lasts for 6 months. If you want to pick up this filter, I'll leave a link in the description below. The next thing you're going to do is remove the filter from the packaging and remove the blue caps on the end. Then take the black cap from the old filter and reinstall onto the new filter by turning it clockwise. Line the filter up with a hole and push in firmly until you hear a click. Then lastly, you're going to want to purge the air from the filter by running a couple glasses of water through the filter. The bursts of air are totally normal and expected. This should only continue for about 2 or 3 glasses of water. Then one last thing to do is reset the filter status light. You do this by opening up the door and pressing the button 5 times within 10 seconds. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.